drag racer Lightninig McQueen. One of the best versions of our beloved Red Racer. I say that because it takes the original design of him and I suppose it does in a way, and it sort of, takes it further and makes it better. Like it turns the flames into, more flames, I suppose. Of course, he's part of the xRS line. Doesn't come with any Rusty sponsors, to my knowledge. Doesn't come with any sponsors, I should say, apart from the xRS sponsors. Still, of course, and another cool thing about him is that his pistons actually move. I don't know how well you can see that, but yeah, pistons actually move. Well, they're meant to resemble pistons. Anyways, still, of course, as I previously mentioned, it resembles the original Cars 1 Lightninig McQueen a lot. Let's take a closer look. So, here we go, look, see what I mentioned about the flames? And I'm not talking about the orange ones, I'm talking about the yellow ones. Oh, and it does come with some contingency sponsors. Octane gain, clutch aid and RPM. And the Rusty's logo. God, look at those tiny, tiny rims. And those thick, tyres. Oh, so thick, innit? I'm talking about the tyres, of course. Of course. And look, I've got a parachute and some more Rusty sponsoring. Yes, God, just doing all that to prove me wrong now, isn't it? But it does have a 95 on the roof, and still got the 3 window bars, as all Lightninig McQueens that do. What's this bit? I don't know what that's supposed to be. I suppose it helps with aerodynamics. But my knowledge on physics is absolutely terrible. Don't know a single thing. Well, I do, but not a lot, to say the least. Have a great day, folks!